What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If your car doesn't have built-in CarPlay or Android Auto, or your factory screen just feels outdated, an aftermarket CarPlay screen is honestly one of the best upgrades you can make. Wireless phone mirroring, navigation, and even a built-in dash cam, all without replacing your whole stereo system. Today, I'm counting down the top 5 best CarPlay screens on Amazon in 2026. From a full Android 13 double-din stereo to a genuinely portable universal fit option that works in any vehicle. I'll cover the specs, what each one's actually best for, the pros and cons, and my pick at the end depending on your car and setup. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Joying 8-inch double-din car stereo. The Joying 8-inch double-din car stereo runs Android 13 with CarPlay and Android Auto support, 8 GB of RAM plus 128 GB of storage, Bluetooth, MirrorLink, AM/FM radio, steering wheel control compatibility, and a subwoofer output. This is a genuine full head unit replacement rather than an add-on screen, meaning it actually installs into your dashboard's double-din slot and takes over as your car's primary stereo system. Running full Android 13 with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage is a serious amount of power and space for an in-car system, letting you install additional apps directly rather than relying purely on CarPlay or Android Auto mirroring. And the subwoofer output is a real bonus for anyone wanting to upgrade their car's audio setup at the same time. Pros: full Android 13 operating system with real app installation, generous 8 GB RAM and 128 GB of storage, subwoofer output for audio upgrades, steering wheel control compatibility. Best pick if you want a genuine full head unit replacement with real Android functionality, not just a mirroring screen. Number 2. 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen with 4K dash cam. This 11-inch laminated touchscreen with wireless CarPlay, Android Auto, a 4K front camera, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and phone mirroring. That 11-inch laminated touchscreen is genuinely large and sharp for this category. Laminated displays specifically reduce glare and reflection compared to standard screens, which makes a real difference for visibility while driving in bright daylight. Pairing a full 4K dashcam directly into the same unit is also a smart combination, since it means one clean install handles both your CarPlay mirroring and your driving footage recording, rather than needing 2 completely separate devices. Pros: large 11-inch laminated touchscreen reduces glare, integrated 4K dashcam in the same unit, wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi connectivity. Best pick if you want the largest, sharpest screen combined with a genuine 4K dashcam in one unit. Number 3. IIWEY IK7 10-inch wireless CarPlay screen. The IIWEY IK7 is a portable 10-inch wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen with a 1600 by 600 60Hz touchscreen, a 1080p backup camera, a 64 GB card, phone-based GPS, voice control, and MirrorLink, plus a built-in 4K dashcam and DVR for road trip entertainment. Being genuinely portable is the standout feature here. This isn't permanently mounted into your dashboard. It's designed to move between vehicles easily, which is perfect if you drive multiple cars, rent frequently, or just don't want a permanent dash modification. Phone-based GPS is also a smart, practical approach, leaning on your phone's existing navigation and data connection rather than requiring a separate built-in GPS chip and subscription. Pros: genuinely portable, easy to move between vehicles without permanent installation, 1080p backup camera included, phone-based GPS avoids extra subscriptions, includes a 4K dashcam and 64 GB card. Best pick if you want a truly portable screen you can move between multiple vehicles without permanent installation. Number 4. 2026 CarPlay screen for car, 11.5-inch. This 11.5-inch CarPlay screen offers Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a 1080p backup camera, navigation and voice control, an HD touchscreen, a 4K dashcam, Bluetooth, FM radio, and MirrorLink, marketed as compatible with all vehicles. At 11.5 inches, this edges out our second pick as the largest screen on this entire list, and being explicitly marketed for compatibility with all vehicles is a genuinely reassuring detail if you're unsure whether an aftermarket screen will actually fit your specific car. Bundling in navigation, backup camera, and dash cam all together also makes this a strong, comprehensive all-in-one package rather than requiring separate purchases for each feature. Pros: largest screen on this list at 11.5 inches, marketed for universal vehicle compatibility, comprehensive bundle including navigation, backup camera, and dash cam, voice control included. Best pick if you want the largest possible screen and broad vehicle compatibility in one comprehensive package. Number 5. LAMTTO 11-inch IA CarPlay screen. The LAMTTO 11-inch IA CarPlay screen supports Google Play app downloads and Gemini AI, runs on a smooth 8-core processor, offers wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, a vivid 60 FPS 1920 by 720 display, and a 1080p backup camera and DVR for road trip entertainment. Genuine Google Play app downloads combined with Gemini AI is the real standout here. Most CarPlay screens are limited purely to mirroring your phone's apps, but this one can actually download and run its own Android apps directly, with Gemini AI adding real on-device assistance for things like navigation questions or hands-free tasks. That 1920 by 720 resolution at a smooth 60 FPS is a genuinely sharp, fluid display experience, especially noticeable when navigating menus or watching video content during stops. Pros: genuine Google Play app downloads, not just phone mirroring. Gemini AI for on-device assistance, sharp 1920 by 720 resolution at smooth 60 FPS, 8-core processor for smooth performance. Quick recap. Best full stereo replacement, the Joying 8-inch double-din stereo. Best large screen with 4K dashcam, the 11-inch wireless CarPlay screen. Most portable, move between cars option, the IIWEY IK7. Largest screen with universal fit, the 11.5-inch CarPlay screen. Best AI and app-powered upgrade, the LAMTTO 11-inch IA CarPlay screen. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more car tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments which one you're picking. See you in the next one.